guys, Mr. Bobbin, Chapter 6, Lesson 1 on polygons. A figure is a polygon if it meets these three conditions. Now, you are usually not calling your shapes polygons, although you are very familiar with them. One that I'm going to use as an example is a simple triangle for the example of a polygon. A polygon, number one, is a plane figure formed by three or more line segments called sides. So this most simple polygon has three line segments. Each one of those is called a side. Number two, sides that have a common endpoint are non-collinear. They do not lie on the same line. And number three, each side intersects exactly at two other sides. But only at their end points. And another word for endpoints in parentheses is their vertices. So a figure is a polygon if it meets the following three conditions. It has to be formed by three or more sides. The sides that have a common endpoint are non-collinear. They're not on the same line. And each side intersects at exactly two other sides, but only at their endpoints. And another word for that is vertices. Okay, now get your colors out, your markers, your crayons, your colored pencils, something like that. And we will do the next section. These are some common polygons. They have special names. And those names also tell us how many sides they have. For example, we already did the diagram of the triangle with three sides. We have tri, usually meaning three. A quadrilateral has four sides. This quad means four. A pentagon, like in Washington, D.C., the pentagon has five-sided building, five-sided figure, polygon. Hexagon is six sides. The way I remember it is six is S-I-X and hex is H-E-X, so it kind of sounds similar, hexagon. A heptagon has seven sides. An octagon has eight. Nonagon has a nine-sided figure. Decagon is our 10-sided figure. And the last one that we have here is a dodecagon, and that's 12 sides. These are the common polygons and their names, but occasionally you'll come up against a polygon that does not have one of these special names, and it's not one of our usual polygons. So how do we name those? If you look at the bottom, it says a polygon with n sides is called an n-gon. For example, if we have a polygon with 13 sides, we call that a 13-gon. If we had a polygon with 15 sides, it would be a 15-gon. 21 sides would be a 21-gon. This phrase can name any polygon with any number of sides. These have special names, but you can also call any polygon by the number of sides gone. like 13.